Where is everyone? This won't do for a stream. I gotta go find them. Oscar, what's going on today? What's going on?
Oh mate, I can't talk right now. It's really busy here.
What?
Yeah, I'm chockers in the shop right now, mate.
What about the live stream? Do you know what's going on with the live
stream? I don't know what's going on with the live stream. Mate.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Too busy. All right. I'll ask someone else.
All right. Yeah.
No problem. Yo, Matt, what's going on today? What's happening?
Very busy day.
It's busy.
Are we doing a stream?
I don't know. That's what I'm here to ask you. Are we doing a stream?
I hope so. I hope so. But I'm busy. I've got places.
You're busy. What do you? Well, how can we do a stream if you're too busy, mate?
No, we'll see.
All right.
What are you after?
Michael, what's going on? Is there a stream today?
There won't be a live stream today. We are struggling. We've got queues in the shop, out the door, down the elevator, out on the street, out down Collins Street. It's just going off like a frog in a sock. I humbly apologise.
No.
We will be here next week.
That's all right. Have a happy long weekend, everybody.
You too.
All right. Thanks, Michael. Bye.
See ya.